Hey everyone, today we're looking at something that every car owner should seriously consider, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. This powerful dash camera doesn't just record the front and rear like most dash cams. It covers front, back, inside, left, and right, giving you a full 360-degree view of your car. Perfect for safety, insurance claims, and peace of mind, whether you're driving or parked. Let's dive in and see why this dash cam is such a game changer. The PRUVEEO dash cam has a sleek, compact design that won't clutter your windshield. It's built to record 4 different angles at the same time: front, rear, interior, and sides. Setup is simple. It comes with everything you need, including a free 128GB memory card so you can start recording right away. And because it's Wi-Fi enabled, you can easily connect it to your phone to review and download footage without removing the card. Unlike regular dash cams, this one truly provides complete coverage. With its 4-channel system, you can capture what's happening in every direction around your car. Front and rear footage for road incidents. Side views to protect against lane collisions. Interior view for rideshare drivers or family trips. This level of coverage is especially useful for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers, or anyone who just wants maximum security on the road. The PRUVEEO dash cam records in crisp HD video, so license plates, road signs, and faces are clearly visible. It also has infrared night vision, which means it records even in complete darkness. Perfect for night driving or parked cars in poorly lit areas. Pair that with built-in GPS, and you'll always have detailed evidence with location and speed information included in your recordings. This dash cam is loaded with features: 24/7 parking mode monitoring. Keeps an eye on your car even when you're not around. Loop recording. Automatically overwrites old footage so you'll never run out of space. G-sensor. Detects sudden impacts or accidents and locks that footage, so it can't be erased. And since it supports continuous recording, it's reliable for both daily driving and long trips. This dash cam is ideal for rideshare and taxi drivers who need full coverage, daily commuters who want peace of mind, families who want extra safety on road trips, anyone who wants proof and protection in case of accidents, theft, or vandalism. The PRUVEEO 360-degree dash cam isn't just another dash cam. It's an all-around security system for your car. With its 360 degrees coverage, night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and 24/7 monitoring, it gives you complete confidence behind the wheel. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech and product reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you keep this in your car?